central tendency, central tendency. The mean is the average of the lot. The median is the one in the middle spot. The mode is the one you see a lot. Mean, median, mode. Mean, median, mode. Alright, so mean is the average of the lot. Median is the one in the middle spot. And then mode is the one you see a lot. So I'm going to sing it again, and you better sing it along with me. It goes mean, median, mode. Mean, median, mode. Central tendency, central tendency. The mean is the average of the lot. The mean is the one in the middle spot. The mode is the one you see a lot. Mean, median, mode. Mean, median, mode. Now y'all know I sound good. That's alright. Alright, so mean x bar average of the lot, and how you find that is the sum divided by the number of values. The one in the middle spot, you have to order them from least to greatest, and mode is just the one you look at a lot. Okay, so then the next one is the low extreme. What does that sound like? Small, so smallest value is the minimum. Then the next one is upper extreme. What does that sound like? Largest value, so that's the maximum. Then you have the lower quartile. So lower quart is lowest 25%. We're going to call it Q1. And it's the medium of the first half of the values. Okay, so if you're only looking at half of it, and you take half of that, you're going to get a quarter. So half, and then half of that. Okay, so the lower quarter is the median of the first half of the first quarter. Then the upper quarter will be the top, the 75%, which is called. So again, if you had the line, you take half of the line, that will be the middle. Then the two middles of that will be Q1 and Q2. Right, then the range is the maximum number minus the minimum number. The interquartile range is when you take Q3 and you subtract Q1. So it's the range between the quartiles. And that's pretty much it. So for this unit, you just need to know all the definitions. You're going to write capital A and then equals. And then you're going to do an interval notation. And what you're going to put in there is this data set. So you go 8, 15, 10, 10, 15, 7, 8, 10, 9, 12, 11, 11, 13, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 10, just so that you know, I'm putting this in here. So I think I was on 10, 11, 14, 11, 10, 9, 12, 14, 14, 12, 13, 5, 13, 9, 11, 12, 13, 8, 7, 8, and that's the last one. And you see how it gives you a hint on how to close it, so you're just going to close it. So that's it. You're going to put it like an interval notation, okay? Now, this says that I have 39 things, so I'm going to count to make sure I didn't forget anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I want to go back to the beginning, because the biggest thing is putting it in correctly. Once it is correctly, find it everything. So it goes 8, 15, 10, 10, 10. Oh, that's what I missed. I missed 1 10. Boom. Alright, so there are 40 elements. Alright, so once you got your 40 elements, you press enter, it's going to come to a new line. So from this new line, you can find anything you need. If you look on the bottom left of the screen, you'll see like a keyboard. You're going to hit, you're going to go to where it says, you're going to go to where it says functions, and we're doing data, which is part of statistics. We're going to hit statistics. Now, to get the one that illustrates like a lot of these statistics, you're going to hit the one that says stats right here. All right, so you see it says stats, and then it's open a parenthesis, and then it's asking you of what data set. So you're going to say of the data set that I named, which was capital A. Now see, it's already started giving you things, and then you can close the parentheses and press enter, and that's where it is. So now it's given you your minimum, your low quartile, your medium, your upper quartile, and your max. And guess what these questions are? Exactly that. So my minimum is 5, my Q1 is 8.5, my median is 10, my upper quartile is 12, my max is 15. Now I need to find, okay, so all of that is the answers to these first 5 questions. Now I have this. What is the range of all the points? Now this one, it's not going to tell you. So this one you actually have to work out.
So range is your maximum minus your minimum. So you find your maximum, which is 15. Now it says you have to show me how you got this. So you go 15 minus your minimum, which is 5, equals 10. And now you've shown me how you got that. What is the interquartile range? Your interquartile range is your upper quartile minus your lower quartile. So Q3 minus Q1. You have to show me how you got those numbers. So your upper quartile is 12. So you go 12 minus. Your lower quartile is 8.5. So you go 8.5. 12 minus 8.5 equals 3.5. And use a calculator. What's the mode? Now, mode is the one that you see a lot. So for this one, you're pretty much going to have to just look at what number happens the most. In order to do this, the fastest way would be after you plot stem and leaf plot, actually. You'll be able to see which one is the most. And as you plot these, go ahead and cross out that you've used the numbers. So I'm actually going to go over this one, not on the computer because I can't, write right now. So I'll do it off the top of my head. 10 happens 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 10 happens 7 times. 11 happens 2, 4, 5. Okay, it looks like it's going to be 10, but once again,